How's it going, everyone? This is Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'll quickly show you on how you can cut your model in Elegoo Slicer. Of course, the process is going to be the same for any models out there. Basically, the first thing that you want to do is to just head over to your slicer, navigate through the model that you want to cut. Now, in my case, it's going to be this huge cylinder shape right here. And then we are going to use the cut function. You can also press C on your keyboard and then it will take you to this controls right here. Now, of course, you want to position your cut depending on your model. So in my case, let's say that we want to cut it horizontally. So you could use the controls right here for moving it up and down and rotating it in certain ways. But to make things easier, let's just make sure that it is positioned properly on the middle, like this one. And of course, you can also move this from left to right. Once you have positioned your cut and now you're ready to execute the function, just click on the perform cut option and basically it will split your model into two separate parts. But if you want to add connectors, you can also do that by just clicking on the add connectors. It's going to be extremely simple. In here, you then want to click on a part where you want to add your connector. So in most cases, it's going to be on the middle part right here. Now, in my case, I think the hexagon feature or the hexagon option provides us with the best connection. So I'll just choose hexagon right here, increase the size of my connector and also the depth. Click on confirm connector, click perform cut, and basically from there we are good to go. As you can see, we have managed to apply the hexagon connector on our model. It will separate it onto two parts. And if we go ahead and print this together, we also have a way to simply connect them together by the connector that we have applied. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.